we are one, but we are many, and from all lands on earth we come. We share a dream and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australian. I came from the dream time, from the dusty red soil plains. I am the ancient heart, the keeper of the flame. I stood on the rocky shore, I watched the tall ships come. For 40,000 years I'd been the first Australian. I came upon the prison ship, bowed down by iron chains. I cleared the land, endured the lash, I waited for the rain. I'm a settler, I'm a farmer's wife, on a dry and barren run. A convict and a free man became Australian. I'm the daughter of a digger who sought the mother low. The girl became a woman on the long and dusty road. I'm a child of depression, but I saw the good times come. I'm bushy, I'm a batter, I'm Australia, yeah. 'Cause we are one, but we are many, and from all the lands on earth we come. We share a dream and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australia. Yeah, yeah. I'm a teller of stories, I'm a singer of songs. I'm Albert Gerard, I paint the ghostly gun. I'm Clancy on his horse, I'm Ned Kelly on the run. I'm the one who waltzed Matilda, I am Australian. I'm the hot wind from the desert, the black soil of the plains. I'm the mountains and the valleys, I'm the drought and the flooding rain. I'm the rock and I'm the sky, the rivers when they run. The spirit of this great, great land, I am Australia, yeah. 'Cause we are one, but we are many, and from all the lands on earth we come. We share a dream and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australia. But we are many, and from all